top of his lungs. Not regular crying, literal shrieking, while the two women do absolutely nothing to try to calm him down. Other tables are starting to glare at them. I bring out their entrees, the gyro and Greek spaghetti. After I drop off the entrees, they go to get the drink refills. When I come back, the lady with the gyro, which we never get complaints about, has already taken 3 bites and decided that she doesn't like it. She says that she wants to replace it with the Greek spaghetti that her friend has. Great. The Greek spaghetti comes out and I serve it to her. Her friend is still eating hers and hasn't complained about it yet, so I go to help some other tables. A few minutes later, when I go back to check on them, they both, surprise, surprise, decided that they don't like the Greek spaghetti. The younger woman says to me, I don't like to complain, but we both just don't like this. It has a weird taste, and I'm a server too. I work in the service industry, but this just isn't good. Is there any way we can take it off? I tell her that I don't have the authority to come to entrees for myself, so I have to go with the manager. The manager comes over and comes their entrees. So these women have basically got 3 entrees for free. He charges them for their salads, drinks, and kids meal. But it's my fault. They pay me. Just out of curiosity, I go check the credit card receipt. No tip. And
Yes, may I please get 4 loaded nacho tacos,
I'm a server too. Jerk. No, you're not. No server
chips
would ever
and
decide to
nacho
serve
cheese
the
sauce,
waitress because they didn't like the food.
and a large...
Every
Hold on,
server
just one
knows that
second.
the waitress can't control how the food tastes or predict if you will like it or not. Although in this case, I did predict that they wouldn't like it. I just hope that I never have to wait on those women again. It's been a long time since I've had a table that annoyed me. Am I the jerk for stealing a prize? So I was in the supermarket this morning, Christmas Eve. They have some Christmas gift prizes at the moment based on what number customer you were that day. I was in the queue with my daughter and forgot an item, so I asked my daughter to wait for me.
Okay, I do apologize. You repeat that for me? You say how many
The woman standing
loaded
behind me was now
tacos?
standing in front of my
4
daughter.
loaded nacho...
She said the woman pushed past me
Uh,
after I had left.
1 chips and nacho cheese
I
sauce.
do apologize. My fryers are down, so I'm unable
I
to
decided
fry.
to politely say that we were in the queue
Okay,
first,
so...
and that I had just left the
Alright,
queue for a
then
minute.
may I just
And then
get
my daughter was still in the queue holding
a
her purse.
large
This went
lemonade?
back and forth for a minute until I just let it go.
And that will be
No
it?
point in
So
arguing
that's
anymore.
10 loaded
It came to her turn. She
tacos
paid
and a
for her
large
items and
lemonade.
then started
Yes, ma'am.
packing them. As she was packing, I
Alright.
moved forward when the music started playing, and the
674.
cashier said I
Alright,
was
thank
the
you.
of the day.
You're
I
welcome.
couldn't believe it. The manager called up and said we had won a Nintendo Switch, a gift card from the store worth €250 and 10 games. I couldn't believe it. This is where I was called the jerk. The woman who skipped us started complaining that she was supposed to have won, that we let her go ahead, and that the prizes were actually hers. We explained what happened, but she called us liars and started crying. The manager said he couldn't do anything except check the cameras, but they didn't have audio. He said that because we were the actual 250th customer, we would get the prizes regardless. So, were we the jerks? Should we have given her the prizes? My wife said I'm not, and I agreed, but my daughter felt kind of bad afterwards because the woman cried. And so, most people have said not the jerk. I'll happily take that. It was mainly the fact that she cried that gave me cause for concern. In regards to the prizes and lessons, I explained to my daughter why the woman cried. One of the replies gave a great suggestion, and I went with that. She kind of understood, but I'm not sure if she got it fully. She understands that crying doesn't get you what you want, and it isn't a tool to manipulate people. She also understands that when you do something bad, there are consequences. So I think it was a good lesson for her. She wrapped the Switch in games and gave them to her sister for Christmas. Her sister was so overjoyed that she wasn't much interested in what Santa brought. She's been playing it for about 2 hours now. She played Kirby for a short while and then started playing Zelda. She's really into Zelda, even though she can't do that much. Thanks for all the replies, and have a Merry Christmas, everyone. You're a writer? Great. Do my kids' homework. Mildly useful information. In my country, it's customary to live with your parents until you get married. Please don't give me crap for this. They're lovely, and I adore living with them. Background. At the time of this story, I, at the time 24, a female, was writing a career high. I was working for a famous,
What's that?
in my country, screenwriter.
Some
and
fire
we were doing
sauce, please.
projects for Netflix and Amazon. I put writing my book on hold for this. Before anyone asks, both shows went into development heck and will not be released internationally in any case. My parents and I were moving into a new fancy apartment building that has its own cafe. You cannot access the cafe unless you are a resident or have been given a pass. I was in there one day, getting coffee and chatting with some other residents while waiting for some things to be delivered. A nice couple was telling me about how much I was going to like